Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact a seller on Shpock. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top, we have the search bar where you can search for anything, of course, that you want. In the top right corner, we have the inbox, your profile, where you can see selling, buying, watch list, saved searches, reviews, saved locations, help center settings, and the logout option. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact a seller on Shpock. So to contact a seller on Shpock, you have two main options. You have a public question, open the listing of item you are interested in, scroll down to the questions section. Here you can ask a public question that everyone can see. This is useful for general inquiries about the item. There is also a private offer. Go to the listing, click on make offer. So basically you just need to go and click on the listing of an item, of course, and click on the make offer, of course, which is here. Enter your price offer and optional message. Once the seller responds, a private chat will open where you can discuss details like payment and delivery privately. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.